welcome to Gracious by Karen. Happy Father's Day to everybody who's a father out there. How many times were you a father, Anthony? That
No,
you can recall?
No. I have 2 boys and 2 girls.
Wow, perfect. I have 1 child, so it's all good. He's perfect. It's a perfect child. Okay. So we're gonna make something for Father's Day. And I know if you're watching this on Father's Day, you can just dash up and get what you need for this. It takes like 5 minutes. Yeah, it takes a little longer than 5 minutes, but sometimes it takes longer when you're making it with people. We'll see. Okay. So we're going to start with using oven mitts.
Open gloves. Open mitts.
It's time to barbecue.
Yeah. Oh,
You see it?
all right. I'll go down.
Well, we're going to put some stuff here. I think it's in here. It's behind me. Here, thank you. Perfect. We're going to start with just put some stuff in here. Got some paper. So here's a couple of pieces for you.
Oh. That was the, oh, no. Was it, no, when was it you did the show, was it not? Oh, my. It's something else.
Yeah. I got 2 pieces here. So you're just going to take 1 piece, Anthony, and you're just going to make it so that you can stuff this in the thumb hole. Like that. Just jam it in. And leave this part just kind of hanging out here. Okay? Then you're going to take this piece and we're going to stick it in this part. I can't tell you how many of these are sold at the market.
Why not?
Well, I know it's a good Father's Day gift, but it's also good for anybody that's, you know, if you're going to a barbecue or something, this would be perfect. So you just want to take this and just turn it so it comes across.
Tuck it in.
Yeah, tuck it in. Perfect. Now we're going to need some stuff. We're going to start with one of these. It's, what do you call them?
It's called a
Obviously, I don't cook.
it's called a basting brush.
A basting brush for the barbecue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I'm going to call it. You can call it whatever you want, but it's a brush. It's for brushing on
Right.
whatever you want
But
to
you
brush
have
on.
a barbecue.
Oh, I know you have. Yeah, you got a nice one.
Yeah.
Put it in the top.
Just put it in here. Stuff it in. I don't want to go to the back of that stuffing. See, look.
Oh, it is. It's very fine.
Perfect. And then we're going to put in, it's for,
This is for pouring sauce over your meat on the barbecue. It's called a bottle.
a bottle of sauce.
Yeah, a sauce bottle.
Sure, let's put that in there. I got all this stuff at the Dollar Tree. Stick that in there.
You cannot beat that. Again.
Okay. And then, I got this at the Dollar Tree as well. Barbecue seasoning mix. It's got like a bunch of different...
Yeah. It's got like different
Kind of cool.
segments.
Sure. And you're just going to... And this fits perfectly. Make this goes in the front where it says barbecue seasoning. Like this. There you go. Shall we wrap it?
Yeah.
Yeah. And entertainment at its finest. I'll do mine first.
Yeah. It was.
I'll move him to the side. What's that? What?
I'm just trying to see who's saying hello.
Good morning, everybody. Hi. I already cut my, I got one for you, one for me. And I cut it kind of long.
It is, isn't it?
Yeah, it is long. Look, it's really long. But that's what you want. Open it up.
It's huge.
It is huge. I like things big. You know what I mean? Big. I like things big. Have on hand.
Zip ties.
Zip tie. Yep. And I'm going to go with black. Why am I not black? Because I'm using black ribbon for it. Wizard's here. Good morning, Wizard. Wizard's across the street from me. He's funny. He's funny.
It's cool.
He's really cool. All right. So,
It's a good map.
what's that?
It's a good map.
Yes, he is good. So take your little thing.
The oven glove.
See how-
Stuff with barbecue there.
Sure. See how this is half?
Yeah.
Can't wait for your turn.
Oh yeah.
It's gonna be great. Oh. Turn this over.
Okay. So turn it upside down. Well, turn it over.
Over.
So it's facing downwards.
Can I hang on to that for a second? Perfect. Get yourself handy tape. Now, dropping can be a challenge, but we can do this thing. Take your one end where the finger is, the thumb. Take this, turn it up. So I've done this. And then just take this and come across. Like that. Okay?
Yeah.
Take a piece of tape. One's fine. You don't want to over-tape it. And try to use transparent tape. Why?
Yeah.
It's a waste of tape. And do the same to this
Don't
side.
overtake it because it's a waste of tape. Yeah.
So on the other side, I did this, right? But I'm going to do it one more time on this side,
Right.
because that's the way I figured it out. And then just across. See? Perfect now. Perfect. Put two pieces of, get the trim, like this tape,
Yeah.
absolutely clear tape.
You don't want to lift it like, you don't want to stick it like green tape here, or black, like, you know, black tape. Green tape.
Tie wrap. Thank you. All you're going to do is squish it together. Take your tie wrap. Come around. Do you have a fold?
Yeah.
Oops. Whoops. It's never a good thing to say while you're crafting. Make sure this is all tight. You want that little thing to be at the back. Oh. Get yourself a cup of coffee. I took a lot.
I might surprise you because I think that she's very, very keen with it. Look at it.
You were watching closely? That's good. Backwards. Perfect.
And one of the mares at the moment for well, it's not asking for instructions. Doing okay.
Sorry for the background noise, guys.
It's alright. It's the wizard being.
It's a wizard.
Yeah.
Good job. Perfect. Now what? Come up and over.
Up and over.
Nice, Anthony. Perfect.
Oh, actually, I believe it's very right. You can demonstrate.
What's that?
You whiz it round like that. You turn it round. Okay. I know.
Ordering unimpressed. Good job, bud. Put your tie wrap on there, my friend. Snug it up. Good job. So what I'm going to do first, I want to leave quite a bit of room at the top. Just cut this off. This much here. And then cut the rest of your
Just done with stuff in
the tie wrap off.
It's not even some nippers. Yes.
Thank you. Now, let's put a bow on it, shall we? Just a piece of ribbon. Just make a cute little bow. Because you know, guys don't like really terrible bows, right?
You do it. How do you do it? Oh, you can't leave it, can you?
I've been doing this a long time.
Exactly. So there we go.
Mine. Anthony's. Pull it up. Perfect. Perfect Father's Day gift. What do you think? Is it?
Yeah, but you could just get a big thing of beer with it.
You can put a can of beer there if you want. Sure. Is that what you would do?
Oh yeah. Oh, a
There you
bottle,
go.
bottle of rum.
Happy Father's Day.
Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. All right, that's it, guys. 20 minutes. That's awesome.
Yeah.
guys have a great Father's Day. And if there's fathers out there watching, have a good day too.
Yeah.
And for all the women out there that are the father figure in your house, like, man,
Yeah. Whatever.
just enjoy your day.
Yeah.
Okay.
You come and say hello if you're local.
Yeah, if you come from London, I might have to store one of these.
Yeah.
They got some with towels in them and all different kinds of stuff. It's been really popular this weekend, of course. Anyways, that's it, guys. Have a great day, everybody. Talk to you soon.
Bye.
Bye.